Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Kaya po ng lingkod, si Joe Makinay. And today, we'll be reviewing this very unique, well-copied TG SLR version 2. This unit is, I got this from Eileen Gel Blasters. And I forgot the price. It was a long time ago, few months back. This was been sitting on my to-do list. This is only for review, and this will be available on the raffle on my new website, airgelarena.com. Anywho, first, quality. This one has all nylon construction, so it feels really sturdy. This is a Jinji mag. This is not the original. It comes with a I think metal mag and nylon buttstock, metal rails, cover, ambidextrous battery, and feels quite nice. There's a SLR, so it has very few markings. SLR Rifle Works, Winter Garden, Florida, USA, here, there, and usual SLR here in the handguard. This looks like a shortened SLR, GG/SLR V5, so it feels different. It's a little bit too small for me. But this is already a alternative to the ARP9 and the PDX. I like this one because ambidextrous. I'm a lefty, so this one, is really nice for me. I really like this design. It's easier to release. The selector is also ambidextrous, so that's nice. There's no bolt latch, but that's fine. It does have a low back. Let's first remove the magazine. See? It has a built-in hop up. Hey, come out. Although, as expected, since it has a built-in hop up, it's really unstable. See? Hop up. So, personally, I would remove it, but it ups to the winner of this one. Depends. You will see this on the page. I think 4,500, 4,500, something like that. It has, again, very limited battery options because of that one. And this is not the ambidextrous lock like the Jinji that, let's say, post only this one and this. Don't expect much. It's cheap. It's around, I don't remember, 4,000, something like that, or less than. Actually, don't remember anymore. Need to check on that one. BB capacity, the usual SLR mag. So same. This is the capacity. So it's fine. And since this is a Jinji compatible, the other Bohan mags will also fit. So that's nice. Weight, this is really light. It's around 1.5 kilograms. And this one has this is not a metal one, red dot sight from Tokyo Marui and my Loudner, so it barely adds to the weight. upgrades. This is our Gen 8 gearbox. So, you won't have much upgrade options. But then again, there's a metal gearbox for this one. So, excuse me. Could be an option for you. Magazine prime also. Let's do some firing. And this is 250 FPS out of the box, so high already. I don't know how TG does it, but it's well optimized, so it's really nice. Although it can hit that 10-meter mark, but since this hub is not unoptimized and it has a very high FPS, the gels tends to fly away past 10 meters. So price is around 4,000 pesos, so it's quite affordable and comes with a metal bag already, so that's nice. Personally, if you're going to choose between this and the PDX, I will choose this one because of the ambidextrous. That's more or less the main difference, and the full info mag, because the PDX uses the half mag. I think that's more or less it. It's quite common, and some people are using this as a platform for them to upgrade, so it's up to you. It does look cool, especially with the Loudiner. It sounds scary. Huh? Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. So muli, paalam!